Hey friends, if you wish to rebuild the font cache in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows font service, font cache service. Right click on it and stop it. Now press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command %app data % and hit enter. Okay, and now go to the app data folder, go to local, and there would be something called as font cache, but if there is no option for font cache, then we can just delete the entire app data local folder. Right click on it and then select delete and click on continue. It will delete the items which it can delete, and once it does that, then you can restart your computer. And when you restart your computer, you will also have to right click on the font cache option and it will get restarted, by the way. So was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.